What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to measure with a micrometer. So this is a micrometer. As you can see, you could screw this all the way in, right to 0, and it would still have a gap. That's because this is a 1 to 2 inch micrometer, as you can see right there. So 1 inch, 2 inch. So that means it's going to measure within that range of 1 inch to 2 inch. So that's what gives you your first number. So we have 1 inch. Now, if we were to take a look at this barrel, you can see the graduations are all 25 thousandths of an inch. So each one of these little lines is 25, 25, 25, 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100 thou. So if we take what we want to measure, which is going to be this, we will put it at the largest size. And if you look at this, let me move this for you. So we're loose, we come in, give it 2 to 3 clicks. Now this is where a lot of people say, oh, I do 4, or I only do 1, or they say you can manipulate the number by how many clicks you do. I find 3, I think 3 is the standard if you're just gonna measure something. So we'll pop that out and we'll take a look. And as you can see, we have, it's 1 inch already, 1.1, 1.2, 1.300 thou, and if you also look at that line, 10 is just under that main line. So we know we have 1, 3, 10. So we're already almost there, and then what you do is you just rotate this, and you look for the line that lines up perfectly. So if you look at, let's say, we'll start at the high end. You see how the 9 here doesn't exactly mesh with the line here on the thimble. So we'll go again. So we know we're going to be somewhere around 5. So if you look at that 5, it's pretty much dead on there. So that's our tenths. So we know we have 5/10 of a thou at the end of that. So that gives us our final measurement of 1.3105 inches. Now, if you were to have to measure something larger than 1 to 2 inches, you'd have to get the next size up. This is a 2 to 3, and then I also have a 3 to 4 on hand. And then if you want to measure something below 1 inch, I don't have one that's like this style, I have a digital, but this goes 0 to 1 inch, and it's digital. It's a nice one, it's highly accurate. I like these, I like digitals just for quick, easy measurements, but it's good to know how to use and read one of these because not everyone's gonna have a digital. These are the tried and true standard, and it's just not that hard once you get used to it, and it's just as accurate and a little cheaper. All right, thanks for watching. Please like